Hey guys, today is a better day and we traded Meta, Intel, and Microsoft. So let's just get straight into it, the trade reviews. And right off the bat, we have Meta. So let's look at the daily first. In daily, Meta is just a continuation bearish day with a QQQ looking more bearish also. And I saw it started breaking down pre-market and I took a stab here at gap and crab setup, and I sold one at like 50% around here, and I set my stops to break even on runners, and then ended up getting stopped out here. So yeah, overall not a bad trade, good tight risk. And the second trade we have Intel, because okay, let me show you QQQ first. So QQQ was breaking above the pre-market high here, and I was looking for a tap on the 3-minute AEMA, and I didn't enter here because I was still waiting for QQQ to break the pre-market highs, and then I kind of chased there with which is like a flag break entry. It didn't ended up getting near like 120 because I had 120 calls, but I ended up moving my stops to break even when it went here, and then it just stopped me up break even. And yeah, overall it just dumped back down. It didn't even work that much. So yeah, there's this trade. And a better entry would have been like the 8 EMA retest here. And then the last trade we have Microsoft 10-minute 8 tap. So right after Intel, I was already eyeing on Microsoft like 390 puts. I didn't enter here because I wanted to wait for QQQ to like completely reject on this candle. And ended up being like a little bit of a late entry. I entered like around here, and I took a trim at 390 when it went in the money, and I moved my stops to break even or like a little bit profits on the runners like CBC here, and then ended up getting stopped there, and I was done for the day. I didn't really take the retest there. It would have been like 100% here, so it probably would have been like even better trade. So yeah, but overall today is a steady day, good risk. The entries were not as good, but the risk and the setups were a lot better, and then I was following the market. And yeah, just made back a little bit of the losses from like this week. And yeah, we'll see what happens on Friday. I won't be able to trade on Friday because of the personal events, but Friday's gonna be like a SpaceX IPO, so gonna go crazy on the market probably. Yeah, see you guys next time or next week.